maulan. Wait na. Maulan, okay. Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay. Pumasok muna tayo at malakas po yung lumalakas yung ulan. Okay. Pakita ko lang ha. Yan. So yung garage, as you can see, good for 2 carport vehicle po. Okay. Then, ito yung living area natin. This is your dining and kitchen area. Then, dito, meron kayong toilet and bath. Okay. Yan. Pakita ko lang po yung inyong dining and kitchen area. Right? By the way, the lot area is 100 square meter. The floor area is 230 square meter. Okay. Tapos, this is located in a rancho. So, alam niyo na, yung mga hindi familiar, rancho estate hindi po ito binabaha. Kahit puno kondoy, kahit anong bagyo, hindi po binabaha, okay? Then ito is for yan, pwede nyo gawing storage or base quarter. Depende po sa needs nyo. Ito po yung ating dirty kitchen. Yan. Tapos, ito. Yan, meron na pong cover na polycarbonate. Tapos may ventilation po ng hangin. Okay? So, secured na rin. May grills na. Okay? Ari ko. May galit yung pintuan sa akin. Wait lang. So ito, isa na lang po yung natitira. Okay? Itong binibidyohan ko, ito po mismo yung unit na available. So, kaya lang ako nandito ngayon, turn over ko yung isang unit sa buyer. Turn over namin ng may-ari. Alright? So ito yung living area natin. So akit tayo sa second floor. Second floor, third floor. Ito yung pinakamagandang part. Ang lalaki ng kwarto, lahat may kanya-kanyang toilet and bath. Okay, tingnan nyo ha. So, first bedroom, dito second floor. Okay. Naka-drop ceiling na siya. Yung mga magtatanong, the price is 12 million pesos. Okay? 12 million, pwede tayong mag-low down payment. Basta kaya po ng ating monthly income. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo magtanong, PM lang sa akin kung paano ma-avail yung low down payment. Ito yung CR niya, para sa bedroom na to. Then, this is the master's bedroom. Okay? Ito yung toilet and bath for the masters. Okay? Ito yung space, no? Naka-drop ceiling na rin to. Right? Then, meron kayong balcony dito. Yan. Ito balcony. So, tingin ko may kulang dito kung gusto nyo patakpan, no? Okay, pakita ko ulit yung space for the master's bedroom. Actually, almost same size lang siya nung kabila. Or, nung lahat ng bedrooms. Halos tingin ko pare-parehas lang lahat eh. Ang pinagkaiba lang itong master's bedroom, may balcony. So, yun, yung tingin kong pinagkaiba. Again, the price is 12 million. Pwede po tayo mag-low down payment. Yung mga naghahanap dyan ng low down payment, yan. Kung may mga negosyo at gusto nyo napapaikot pa ninyo yung pera nyo, dito tayo, low down payment. Okay. Tingnan nyo. Diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, halos same lang. Yung lahat ng kwarto, yung sizes. Yan. May mga built-in cabinets na rin lahat. So ito yung last bedroom, the 4th bedroom po. Ito yung toilet and bath niya. Yan. Ito yung built-in cabinet. May small balcony. Tapos ito yung community. Papakita ko sa inyo yung community. Ayun yung harapan nyo. So, ganda ng community rito actually. Ganda ng community, hindi binabaha. Yan. Wala ring fault line. Okay? Yan. So, yung mga interested po or gusto mag-inquire, message me directly at 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. Again, my name is Vin. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.